Good morning, everybody. I am UK Singh, PGT Pol Science from Mahatma Gandhi Shikshan Sansthan, Darbhanga. Dear students, it is a geography class. In previous geography class, we discussed about drainage, Himalayan river, in which we discussed about Himalayan rivers as well as peninsular rivers. Today we will discuss about the lakes, role of rivers in the economy and the river pollution. First of all, we consider about the lakes. What is a lake? So a lake is a water body of considerable size localized in a basin that is surrounded by land apart from a river or the outlet that serves to feed or drain the lakes or water body. What is a lake? So a lake is a water body of considerable size localized in a basin, means localized in a river basin that is surrounded by land apart from a river or other outlet that serves to feed or drain the lakes. There are different types of lakes. They are temporary lakes, permanent lakes, freshwater lakes, saltwater lakes. On the basis of Earth's movement, there are two types of lakes. They are tectonic lakes and the Rift Valley lakes. Similarly, lakes are formed sometimes by glacier activities also, and such lakes which are formed by glacier activities, they are called cirque or trans lakes or rock hollow lakes. Dear students, lakes are great value for human beings. It means lakes are very valuable to human beings. They are following. How are lakes useful or valuable to human beings? So lakes are valuable to human beings by following ways. They regulate the flow of river. It prevents flood. It helps to maintain even flow of water. It is used for developing hydel or generating hydel electricity, hydel power. They moderate the climate of the surroundings, maintain aquatic system, enhance natural beauty, help development of tourism, and provide recreation. Thus, lakes are very valuable to human beings. Dear students, similarly, rivers play very important role in growth of economy of a country. First of all, it rivers attract settlers, and it helps in navigation, it helps in irrigation, it helps in generation of hydel power, it helps agriculture, and rivers are very important for those countries which like India, which economy is based on agriculture. As we know that India is an agricultural country, its economy is based on agriculture because more than half of the population depends on agriculture directly and indirectly for livelihood. That's why rivers are very important to the countries like India. Dear students, rivers are so useful. Mythically, rivers are known as the almighty power in our country. They are worshipped, but often we forget to keep them clean and fresh. And nowadays, most of the rivers of the country have polluted. There are several reasons for rivers pollution in our country. First of all, growing domestic effluents. Municipal and industrial agriculture wastage, and as well as municipal, industrial and agricultural as well as domestic demand of water is great. That affects the quality of water. More and more water is being drained out in the rivers. If you observe in your locality, then you can find that most of our domestic wastage are drained into a water body, either that is a pond or a river. On the other hand, heavy load of untreated sewage is also, and industrial effluents are also impeted into the rivers. This does not affect only the quality of water, but also the self-cleansing capacity of the river. It means it does not also influence the quality of water body, ponds, lakes or rivers, but also it makes its base shallow due to deposition subsequently in the base of the rivers. For example,